This is where it all begins. In iNGENiO's Intro to Sketchbook, kids don't just start drawing. They start understanding how digital art actually works. Across 4 engaging lessons, they get to know the Sketchbook app in a way that feels simple, clear, and doable from the very first tap. They'll explore brushes and see how different tools change their style. They'll learn layers, how to build artwork step by step without the fear of messing it up. They'll experiment with color, shading, and composition in a way that feels natural, not technical. It's not about getting it perfect. It's about knowing what to do next, and that changes everything. Because when kids understand the tools, they relax, they take risks, they start creating with intention. That's where confidence grows. That's where real problem solving begins. That's where creativity opens up. We've designed Intro to Sketchbook for all ages with no experience needed. Whether they're picking up the stylus for the first time or finding their way back to creativity, this is their starting point. 4 lessons, 1 powerful shift. From I don't know how to I've got this. Start with Intro to Sketchbook, because once they understand the tools, there's no limit to what they can create.